Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into why this is hands down the best grad banner you can get for your 2025 graduation celebration. It's the Pre-Strung Congrats Grad Banner in dazzling gold glitter. And it's not just a decoration, it's a full-on party upgrade. Let's start with what makes this banner an absolute standout. First, the name says it all, pre-strung. That means zero time wasted fiddling with strings and holes. The banner arrives completely assembled and ready to hang right out of the package. Whether you're rushing to set up a surprise or simply value your time, this banner respects that. Just unfold, hang, and let it sparkle. Now, here's a detail that might sound small but makes a huge difference: the letters don't slide. Each one is punched with smaller holes that keep them in place. That means no more spending half the party readjusting the letters or dealing with a sagging sign. You can hang it at an angle or flat across a wall and the letters will stay exactly where you want them. The glitter isn't just some spray-on sparkle either. This banner uses real gold glitter. It catches the light, it shimmers, and it gives that upscale feel that cheap paper signs just can't match. It's that extra touch that makes your grad feel like the VIP of the day. Whether you're decorating your living room, a banquet hall, or even a school gym, this banner adds instant elegance and celebration energy. Each letter pendant is 7 inches by 5 inches and made from 350 GSM cardstock. That's thick, durable, high-quality material. You can feel the difference when you touch it. It's not flimsy or floppy, it's made to last through your event and beyond. And yes, you can fold it up and reuse it for another celebration or pass it along to a fellow graduate. The versatility is another major win here. Drape it over a dessert table, string it across a window, hang it along a staircase railing, or use it as a bold backdrop for photos. Wherever it goes, it elevates the whole vibe of your celebration. And let's not forget, this is designed specifically for the class of 2025. It feels personal and intentional, not like some generic congrats sign that gets reused year after year. It's current, it's festive, and it's a great way to mark this once-in-a-lifetime milestone. So to wrap it up, if you're looking for the best grad banner for 2025, you found it. The perfect occasion's Pre-Strung Congrats Grad Banner checks every box: convenience, durability, eye-catching design, and premium quality. It's party-ready the moment it arrives, and isn't that exactly what you want when you're throwing a celebration this special? Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make your grad party shine, literally, and we'll see you in the next review.